Martian River. Imagine you're standing on the edge of a vast crater looking at the dry and dusty landscapes of Mars. You see a towering pile of rocks that curves like a snake across the horizon. You wonder, what is this strange formation? How did it get here? And what does it tell us about the history of this planet? You are not alone in your curiosity. NASA's Perseverance rover is also there, exploring the same crater and the same rocks. It's searching for clues that could reveal if Mars ever had rivers, lakes, and maybe even life. It's taking pictures, collecting samples, and sending them back to Earth for analysis. In this video, we will join Perseverance on its mission to uncover the secrets of Martian rivers. We will learn how scientists use features like meanders, sandbars, and levees to reconstruct the past of water and life on Mars. We will also see some of the amazing images and discoveries that Perseverance has made so far. So buckle up and get ready for a thrilling adventure to the Red Planet. Mars is a dry and dusty world today, but there is plenty of evidence that it was once a wetter and warmer place. Scientists have found features on the surface of Mars that look like dried-up riverbeds, deltas, lakes, and even oceans. These features suggest that liquid water flowed on Mars billions of years ago, when the planet had a thicker atmosphere and a stronger magnetic field. But how much water was there on Mars? And what kind of rivers did it form? These are some of the questions that NASA's Perseverance rover is trying to answer as it explores Jezero Crater, the site of an ancient lake and river delta. Perseverance landed in Jezero Crater in February 2021. And since then, it has been taking stunning images and collecting rock samples that could reveal clues about the history of water and life on Mars. One of the most fascinating discoveries that Perseverance has made so far is a series of curved bands of layered rock that may have been formed by a very fast, deep river. The first of its kind evidence has been found on Mars. These bands of rock are part of a fan-shaped pile of sedimentary rock that stands 820 feet or 250 meters tall and features curving layers suggestive of flowing water. Scientists call this feature the curvilinear unit, and they have been studying it from orbit for years. But now they can see it up close with Perseverance's cameras. One location within the curvilinear unit, nicknamed Shrinkle Haven, is captured in this amazing mosaic image taken by Perseverance's Mastcam-Z instrument. Mastcam-Z is a pair of zoomable cameras that can take high-resolution color images and 3D stereo views of the Martian landscape. In this image, you can see the curved layers of rock that scientists think were formed by a river that changed its course over time. These curves are called meanders, and they're common in rivers on Earth, such as the Mississippi or the Amazon. Meanders form when water flows faster on the outer side of a bend and slower on the inner side, creating erosion on one bank and deposition on the other. Over time, this process makes the river bend more and more until it forms loops and oxbow lakes. Meanders are key evidence that some valleys on early Mars held persistent flows of water over considerable periods of time. This means that Mars had not only brief, intensive floods, but also long-lasting rivers that could have created habitable environments for microbial life. Scientists are still debating whether the river that formed the curvilinear unit was a winding river like the Mississippi or a braided river like Nebraska's Platte, which forms small islands of sediment called sandbars. Either way, the river was powerful enough to move large pieces of material, such as coarse sediment grains and cobbles. The more powerful the flow of water, the more easily it can move larger pieces of material. Perseverance is exploring another location within the curvilinear unit, nicknamed Pine Stand, which is an isolated hill that stands out from the surrounding terrain. This hill may have been an island in the ancient river or lake, or it may have been part of a levee that bordered the river channel. Perseverance will use its instruments to analyze the rocks at Pine Stand and compare them with those at Shrinkle Haven. This will help scientists understand how the river evolved over time and what kind of sediment is carried. Perseverance's main goal is to search for signs of ancient microbial life on Mars. To do this, it will collect rock samples that will be returned to Earth by future missions. The samples from Jezero crater could contain organic molecules or biosignatures that could indicate if life ever existed on Mars. By studying these samples, scientists hope to answer one of the biggest questions in science. Are we alone in the universe? We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about Martian rivers. Perseverance is still exploring Jezero crater and making new discoveries every day. Who knows what secrets it will uncover next? Maybe it'll find evidence of ancient life, or maybe it will surprise us with something we never expected. If you want to follow Perseverance's journey and see more amazing images and videos from Mars, you can visit NASA's website or follow their social media accounts. You can also check out our website for more information and resources about space exploration and other topics. Thank you for watching this video and supporting our channel. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos.